Hello and welcome to Luscombe Motors in Leeds. I'm just going to do a quick video on this BMW 1 Series, which is the 118 2-litre diesel. So I'm just going to show you the overall condition, which is really nice. The car's done just over 46,000 miles. So you've got the dual exhaust at the back with the rear sensors. And then the spoiler as well. So we will be uploading a full technician's appraisal video on this vehicle, just so that you get the chance to see underneath the car as well. The car has got full service history, and we normally service and MOT the cars so that you've got 12 months if you were to buy it. So it's not been a smoker's car or had pets in the car either. So it's a manual gearbox. So it's dark interior. With the leather seats, and then you've just got your touchscreen in the middle, climate control, heated seats as well. Obviously we will be uploading all the spec onto our website so that you can see the car in more detail. But if you would like any more information, or you'd like to come down and have a test drive, feel free to give us a call or send us an email at sales@luscombemotors.co.uk and we'll be happy to help.